because of all the waste of the samples and you're shipping things overnight on planes and boats, and then you're making tons of garments that don't get bought and they're being dumped in a waste dump. This is big. This is globally changing our world.
Oh, absolutely. In one of I'm like a cat. I've had like 9 lives, and the one of those lives on the production pattern maker, which it would be considered probably a technical designer today. I mean, this is how old I am on before some labels of jobs. But one thing we would do, there'd be 3 of us that would hand cut patterns for full size range, so graded size range, full size range of patterns, hand cut them, get them ready to ship out every day by, I think it was 3 o'clock that we had. So you think about just the amount of physical labor. One, I was exhausted usually by 4 o'clock because it was just the stress of trying to get these done and cutting all of these in size like from zero to we unfortunately had a really limited size range at that time, not very inclusive. I think we went up to 18 maybe. And so, um, but creating all of that for jeans, which have a lot of pieces.
And denim is like the worst fabric to make in terms of consumption. So, yeah, and that's the other you're talking about cutting patterns for a whole size range. Clo can do that for you. You can have a whole size range in Clo, put them on sized avatars, and view them all right next to each other to see how they all fit. Yes, you're going to have yeah,
And
that's
just try
something
to
yeah, that's something you probably thought, "Oh, that'll never happen."
Okay, well, one reason why was because I used to be a fit model in a younger, thinner life for the same company. And so, the basis of the fit of these jeans were if Yolanda complained that they were too tight. At that point, I think it was a size 6. So size 6 Yolanda complained that they were too tight. So they were probably really squeezing me into a size 4. And then the whole size range then was based on it's Yolanda's preference.
The Yolanda factor.
Yeah, yeah, which is ridiculous. So, what you're saying now to be able to prototype these and see them and look at pocket placement, design lines, seam placement on a variety of sizes is so important.
Very much so, absolutely. I never thought I'd be again, I said I make pretty things. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a philanthropist, I'm not a lawyer. What can I give back to the world? I can make pretty things. That's one of the inspirations behind teaching is that I can give that back. And again, full circle.